Welcome to the class of algebra. We are solving chapter 2, exercise 2b. In this exercise today, we will solve question number 2 and Roman number 3. In this question, 4 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1 bracket close whole power minus 1 is divided by 5 to the power minus 1. We are asked to evaluate. For that we write this much. We can write 1 by 4. To change the index in the positive index, we write the reciprocal of that. Similarly, this will also be the reciprocal. Close this. Here is minus 1, divide by, we can write 1 by 5. We solve this, we got 1 by 12 to the power minus 1 divided by 1 by 5. We write the reciprocal of this to change this negative index in the positive index, so this will be 12, that is divided by 5. So this became 12 by 5. If you want to change in the mixed fraction, then this will be 2 and 2 by 5. Sorry, at this place here is a little mistake. This portion, this became wrong. So for that again I solve this part. Let me to erase it. This will be, if we write the positive index, then we will write 12 divided by 1 by 5. And when you change this in the form of multiplication, then we will write the reciprocal of this fraction. So it became 60. Answer became 60. In Roman number 4, the question is 11 to the power minus 3 into 11 to the power 5 minus 2 plus 1. So for that, in the next step, we simplify the power 11 to the power minus 3 into 11 to the power 5 minus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. So we can write this, to change this, the positive index, we will write the reciprocal of this. So this became 1 by 11 to the power, this cube into 11 to the power 4. So what are we seeing? 11 to the power 4 by 11 to the power cube. These two are in the form of division while the bases are same, so the powers will be subtracted. 4 minus 3 equal to 11 to the power 1 equal to 1. Roman number 6. The question is 3 by 7 to the power minus 3 into 7 by 18 to the power minus 2. So we will change this negative index in the positive index at first. For that we have to write the reciprocal of the fraction, that is 7 by 3 whole cube into 18 by 7 whole square. So if you want to write in the expanded form, we can write 7 by 3 into 7 by 3 into 7 by 3 and here 18 by 7 into 18 by 7. 7 cancel, this 7 cancel, 3 6 is 18, 3 2 is 6, 3 6 is 18. So this became 6 2 is 12, 12 into 7, 84. In question number 3, we are asked to simplify the questions. Roman 1 is 2 by 5 to the power minus 3 whole to the power minus 2. So first of all, we will change this negative index in the positive index. For that we have to write the reciprocal of this fraction, that became 5 by 2. Close the bracket. Here is whole cube, middle bracket also closed, to the power minus 2. If you multiply this 3 times, we are getting 125 by 8 to the power minus 2. To change this negative index in the positive index, we write the reciprocal of this. It became 8 by 125 whole square. 8 8 is 64 and 125 into 125 5 5 25 2 5 2 is 10 2 12 1 5 1 is 5 1 6 2 5 is 10 2 2 is 4 1 5 2 1 is 2 1 5 1 2 1 1 5 2 10 6 16 2 2 4 plus 1 5 and 1. This became 1 5 6 2 5. This is the simplification of this question. In Roman number 3, the question is 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 whole power minus 4 divided by 2 by 3 to the power minus 4 whole power minus 3. So first of all, we will change this negative index in the positive index. For that we have to write the reciprocal of the fraction, that became 3 by 2 whole cube and whole power minus 4 divided by this negative index will be changed into positive index. For that we write reciprocal of 2 by 3, that will be 3 by 2 and to the power 4 and whole power minus 3. We know this power upon power, then those powers will be multiplied. 3 by 2 to the power 3 into minus 4 divided by this is 3 by 2 to the power 4 into minus 3. So here we are getting 3 by 2 to the power minus 12 divided by 3 by 2 to the power minus 12. So if we change this negative index in the positive index, or let it remain, no problem, 3 by 2 to the power minus 12, you will change this symbol of division, the symbol of multiplication, then write the reciprocal of this. That will be 2 by 3 and when you write the reciprocal of this will be changed in the positive index. So this became 12. Now in this step we change only this negative index in the positive index, so the symbol will be followed the same, that is symbol of division. So and we change this negative index in the positive index, this will be 2 by 3 to the power 12, that is divided by 2 by 3 to the power 12. Bases are same, that is 2 by 3, and powers, so the powers will be subtracted, that is the property of division. So powers will be subtracted, 12 minus 12, that became 2 by 3 to the power 0, and if power is coming 0 upon any number, that value will be equal to 1. Now Roman number 5, the question is minus 7 by 11 to the power minus 3 and whole power minus 1. So first of all we will change this negative index in the positive index. For that we write the reciprocal of this, that will be 11 by 7. We can give minus anywhere with the numerator or with the denominator. So you should not have any confusion. I am giving this symbol with the denominator, that was already with minus with 7. Now this is changed in the positive index, minus 3 will be written as plus 3, here power minus 1. Now power upon power, so 11 by minus 7 to the power 3 into minus 1. So this became 11 by minus 7 to the power minus 3. So if we want to change this negative index in the positive index, for that we have to write the reciprocal of this minus 7 by 11 whole cube. So this became 49 into 7, 343 by 121 into 11, that will be 11 ones are 11, 1, 11 2 are 22 and 1, 23, 2, 11 ones are 11 and 2, 13. This became 1331. This is the simplification of this question.